The given passage talks of the use of color symbolism over a period of time, since the time of talkies and finally till 2000, and then how it has moved from the mainstream cinema to independent filmmakers and finally small screen. Let us look at the questions. Which of the following options can be best said to express the central idea of the passage? The use of color as a symbolic statement in cinema is not new, though the degree and type of symbolism has varied with time. When we look at the very first line of the passage, we see that color symbolism has been since the time of talkies, since they were tinted, toned or hand colored. So they are definitely, the use of color as a symbolic statement in cinema is definitely not new. The degree and type of symbolism has varied with time. When we look at the first four paragraphs, we see that the author suggests that the color symbolism, the degree of color symbolism has moved from subtle to not very subtle, that is obvious. When we look at this line of the fourth paragraph, with the rise of superhero blockbusters and action-packed celebrity vehicles, cinema seats have been filled at the expense of subtlety. So the degree also has varied with time. Now when we look at symbolism, let us go to the second paragraph. The second paragraph uses color symbolism to show rise to power. In the third paragraph, it shows death. In the fourth paragraph, it shows chronology. And then later on in the passage, it says that the color symbolism has been used to even show transformation to crime. So option A is correct. Use of color as a symbolic statement in cinema is not new, and the degree and type of symbolism has varied with time. Let us look at the other options. Option B, the thematic use of color in cinema is nothing new. This is correct. But the explosion of the concept in television is proof that the ambitions of small screen storytelling know no bounds. Now in this option, the focus is only on small screen. In case of cinema, it only says that it is nothing new. So the option does not focus on the main point of the passage, but only of certain paragraphs. So we cannot say that it expresses the central idea of the passage. Option C. Each director has a special way in which he or she uses color symbolism to depict the themes in the movie or serial. Now this statement cannot even be supported by the passage, because the passage does not talk about directors per se. The focus is on color symbolism over a period of time and not how directors use color symbolism. Option D. Color symbolism in movies has been used to predict the nature of the scene and to bring in a sense of the future. This can be inferred about certain movies but not all movies. And secondly, here the focus is only on movies. So we cannot say option D again expresses the central idea of the passage. So the correct answer to this question is option A.